Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National English Version School, Dearship. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on short question and competency based question answer which belongs to chapter 12. So let us move forward to this topic. Dear students, the name of the chapter is climate change, and in our previous class we already discussed is short question answer 1 to 10. Today we will start from question 11. Write two names of natural disaster due to climate change. Answer: two names of natural disaster due to climate change are: first one, increasing frequency and severity of tropical cyclone and storm surge; second one, occurring heavier and more erratic rainfall causing flood. Then question number 12 is: write two strategy to overcome the impact of climate change. The answer is: two strategy to overcome the impact of climate change are: first one, reducing the carbon dioxide emission by decreasing the use of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas; second one, reducing carbon dioxide in atmosphere by planting trees. Competency based question answer from this chapter. The first question is: greenhouse made in cold countries, it is made up of glass, and why the inside of greenhouse remain warm, and explain. The answer is: greenhouse is a house made of glass. It helps to keep plants warm and alive in extreme cold weather. Earth's atmosphere also acts as a greenhouse. This atmosphere's layer of air that surrounds Earth's surface. At day, the sun ray falls on the surface of Earth through the atmosphere, so land heats up. At night, Earth's surface cools by releasing the heat back into the air, but some of the heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the Earth. This effect is called greenhouse effect, and for this effect the inside of greenhouse remains warm. Now come to the next question. Then climate change is a natural phenomenon. How do climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation related to each other? Explain it. The answer is: through climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation, reducing the effect of climate change, both of them confront the risk of climate change. Various mitigation efforts have taken by different countries to reduce climate changes, like reducing carbon dioxide emission, decreasing the use of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas. Various adaptation efforts also have been taken to lower the risk against the actual or expected climate change effect, like changing our lifestyle, developing houses, schools and factories, etc. Both climate change mitigation and adaptation process are related to each other. Now come to next question, and this is: the main reason of climate change is increased temperature of Earth. How can we mitigate climate change? Explain. The answer is: mitigation of climate change. Climate change can be mitigated by taking some necessary efforts. The main cause of climate change is the increased carbon dioxide in atmosphere. So we can reduce the risk by reducing the carbon dioxide emission. Also, we can reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by planting trees. We can reduce energy consumption in our daily life to reduce carbon dioxide emission. These actions will limit the magnitude and rate of long-term climate change. Now come to next question. The greenhouse is made up of glass. It traps the sun's heat. Why the atmosphere of Earth work as the glass of greenhouse? The answer is: the atmosphere of the Earth work as the glass of greenhouse because gases in the atmosphere such as water vapor and carbon dioxide do what the glass roof of a greenhouse does. During the daytime, the sun shines through the atmosphere. Earth's surface warms up with the sunlight. At night, Earth's surface cools by releasing the heat back into the air, but some of the heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the Earth. This effect is called as greenhouse effect, and these gases are called greenhouse gases. Question number 5 is: A significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. What is climate change mitigation? The answer is the main cause of climate change is increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So we can reduce the risk by reducing the carbon dioxide emission by decreasing the use of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas, increasing the use of renewable energy sources such as solar energy and wind can reduce the carbon dioxide emission. Also, we can reduce carbon dioxide in atmosphere by planting trees. We reduce energy consumption in our daily life to reduce carbon dioxide emission. These actions will limit the magnitude and rate of long-term climate change. Various mitigation efforts have taken by different countries to reduce climate change. Last question for today, the amount of carbon dioxide gas increase in the atmosphere gradually. As the average temperature of Earth is increasing, will it affect our life? The answer is, as the average temperature of Earth is increasing, it will affect our life negatively. Scientists predict that climate change will worsen many of the current problems and natural hazards. Climate change will increase the risk of natural disaster because of such increment of temperature, global warming, the frequency and severity of tropical cyclone and storm surge increases. Heavier and more erratic rainfall occurs that causes flood. Sometimes no rainfall occurs that causes drought. So the effect of increase of temperature of the earth are very harmful of our life. This will be, dear students, this will be for our life. So come to our homework. This is our homework number 16. You have to write CBQ number A's answer as your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Learn the question answer and do your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.